Okay, wait. Do you think this is a good idea that Mrs. must go ayo confess Nkosi? Don't you think this is going to open a lot of wounds? Because now Nkosi is trying to deal with the passing of Shoki, and now if Mrs. comes through and said, "Actually, I know something about this," don't you think that as much as the rain will rain for Mrs., the rain will also rain for Faith? Nkosi will probably think that Faith knew. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think this is a good idea to be done? Because now Faith says that Sisi, I want you to go and talk to Unkosi and tell the truth so that uzoyinikela emaphoyiseni, because it's a right thing to do. Now the question is, do you think it's a right thing to do? Because Angaz, from my side, I just think it's gonna cause a lot of chaos. And then now, instead of him to progress in his healing, not that does not deserve the truth though, but knowing the kind of a person that Unkosi is, I think instead of him to to heal going forward, he is just going to go back to step zero. And then instead of Wuti ahile, he goes back to who he was previously, wanting to drink okokoko and going back to Usia is just going to be a mess. And I feel like Ufaith should just let it be. But then again, Sibone isn't doing it. Hence she's saying that if you tell then Unkosi what you have done, thereafter you take yourself to the police station, tell the police what has happened so that the police can then now protect you. And Unkosi is like, he's not about that life. He says, actually, if I tell him, this will do more harm than good. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Sweden. Yeah, sanibonani. Ndimadekwana. Sanibonani. Avuxeni molweni minjhani? Hi pfukile hi nghon'wina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa House of Zwide hi kuma ku ri swilo a swi tshamisekangi, looking at the fact that Maria is actually convinced that Uratu needs to start with running for the upcoming elections as a councillor, and Uratu does not want to. Isaac believes that if anything, he does not want to do with anything that relates to councillorship, because Ezekiel is part of it, and we as Ezekiel kimugulugudu. He's not the kind of person that he wants to associate himself with him because of his character and the bad things that he's doing in the community. And then Maria says that, you know what? Actually, you are the right person to be the leader of the community, because you've been taking care of the community for as long as we can remember. You have been putting people first. And that's what a true counselor should be. Well, Isaac got to know, that's not what I want to be doing. Because politics is a dirty game. And then the next thing is about saying game. Now, Umlifa also was part of the conversation after the phone call ended. He says, actually, if you run for being the mayor, the councillor, actually, you are going to be a perfect candidate. People are going to vote for you because they love you. But if you don't, no one is going to vote, and everyone will only have the option of Umfundisi Mbumbulu. So rather, we have you there running for elections so that there could be choice as to what would people like. And besides, people are going to vote for you because they love, trust, and believe in you. What a statement. So Faith decided to chase her brother out of the house, and now Nkosi wants to find out what is the reason that you guys have been fighting ever since your brother has come here. I've never seen you guys fight this way. So what could be the reason? What is going on? And she was unable to answer ukuthi hayi silwa ngoba lo ubulala umfazi wakho. How heavy could that be? Anywho, on the other heavy news, Umampo wants to do Ifat and Seth. What's Umampo? I want to move in with Usoga. And then now the mother said, no, your way, wanaka. Hey, my daughter, tabaya move in Lisoka. Uikiraya guy, who taught you like that? Atige mampo against all odds mukwena. Arbona rinaka harantlu ya ratu. Rina harantlu ya fatan sati. What do you mean when you say Hakaogo? What is the meaning of that statement? Because right now we are staying in the Fattenset house. And then Maria was like, no, you know, when you grow older, there's things that you do because now you're matured, you've got all the rights and the benefits. Okay? Nami ndikhulile ke sisi, khandivumele ndiyohlala nomntu wami ndizivise kamandi. Oh my God. So Maria is not happy about that kind of setup, and she does not believe that going to stay with Soccer would be a good thing, especially when it comes to reputation. Speaking of reputation, Soccer decided to go and see his cousin, usejele ke lo. Manje, lo cousin wakhe lo, I think he has this thing of angazi ukuthi ngayibiza ini. You know, the kind of a person that would always want to make you feel guilty about their situation. In fact, the situation that they put themselves into, and then they want you to feel guilty about it. He always does this to Usoga. Now, ungathi bamshayile manje saying abangilimazanga, they were only just 12 and it could have been worse. Manje, at least thank God ukuthi ngikanje, because at the end of the day ngisejele la. Yo. Usoga akakhathazekanga uyavutha and actually thinking ukuthi plus lo muntu lo uzoba ne-bail hearing. So this was the conversation between him noMampo ukuthi lo muntu uzoba ne-bail hearing very soon. And when the bail hearing comes, the problem is akuna lawyer. He has those free lawyers. And labo uthi bahlala baluza ama-case every day. Now Mampo is like, okay, how is it your problem? How is it your problem that someone that does not listen involved himself into some dodgy business and ended up in jail? Now, how is it your problem? You should be happy that this person is in jail. At least usafe laphayana. Manje inkinga ukuthi bamshaya, bamvithiza. And then according to Mampo, ufunda isifundo sakhe. Oh, Nkosi yami. Yazi kuvele kube buhlungu ukuthi he's getting the negative influence that ngale ejele umzala wakhe is hoping ukuthi yena is gonna come with positive results, but endlini bam-advise ukuthi lalela phuma lapho ayingangawe, it's got nothing to do with you le ndaba le. Amyekele umzala wakho afunde isifundo sakhe. Just speaking of ukufunda isifundo, laba boyi-2 u-Isaac no-Carter bebalwa bakhombana ngesibhamu bo-2, and then Ezekiel athi, you know, this is not how we do things. You should be able to take instruction from me, Carter. Abeke lesi sibhamu phansi wasibeka-ke bese uCarter athi lalela thina into esiyaziyo ukunukelwa igazi nje wena usofty, that's where things happen right under your nose. Athi kena umprofeti, it's not everything ezisolvwa ngodlame. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, and also a reminder, we do not post full episodes, we review full episodes.